Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Vijonsi. So today I'm going to show you my API I built. So I built the API about e-commerce API, and if e-commerce API, I built also another. I built a collection called product, and then another collection called also user. So uh, this user model will be developed next week. So but uh, by I did with this product collection. So in product collection, I create a name, a description, image, category, price, location, and brand, something like that. And then after that, I create my controller. Like there are two controllers. The first one is a product, right? And before doing this controller, I create another folder called utils. And then in utils, I have validation schema, which contain user authentication, and then validation product, which contain product validation. So I use it joy, like I use it joy. I install joy and then imported it right here, and then I use it. I checked the name, description, image, category, price, location, brand new, something like that, and I check it. Also, when I checked it here, and then I exported. Sorry, I exported by default. When I exported, I have just imported it right here in our product controller. I have I have imported product, like I have imported product, validate the product data, and then I created an add function which contain three arguments, and then I also use it HTTP errors to handle errors. Yeah, that's why I'm using res next. Next one will help me to handle error. For example, here I used to return res.status, something like that, but now I'm returning next and then create error, and then I give the message. And then I also handle files. To do this, I installed what we call multa, and then I create a folder called middlewares, and then in middleware I create a upload file. In the upload file, I use the middleware, like a simple one, now to upload an image, and it is working properly. So I create const variable called the storage, and then multer, and then disk storage, and then destination, and so on. So I did everything as well. And then this file is from regular file, and so on. And then this product is from this one. So I created a variable called the product, and then await validation, validate the product data, and then validate async, because I'm using async here, and I awaited here, and then after that checked if product do exist, like if the field are filled. If not, I should return this error, next error. And then I did it in the same way. So, and I passed it, and then create a new project here in MongoDB, and then save it by here, and then return the message. And then I did by product get by ID, and I use a parameters, and then I use also product, something like that. I check it this ID, and then if the ID do exist, I should continue. If not, I should next this error, something like that, and then get all product. And I did the same way to fetch all products inside our database, and then update. I did the same also. So here we have product data. It is from validate data that are sync, and then update product is I use it now way to product and then find by ID and update, and I did everything as well. And then I check it, and then next an error, in case we have an error, this particular ID does not exist, and so on. Delete, I did same thing with a delete. Checked ID here. If it does exist, I should continue. If not, I should next an error, something like that, and then I exported it as well. And then come here in our router, and then used it as well. So I used it everything, and then upload single. So I imported upload from middleware and so on. And now let us see how it works. I have already deployed in my router, and then now I can see everything is working as we have here product. Okay, so this API, my e-commerce API, something like that, my e-commerce API. And now we have a product. Let us get all product there and then execute. We have all product, so it is not enough, but we can always create it as well. And then I want to post how create a product here. So come here, try. Then I can do like iPhone 11, and then here I just do like I like it, and this is an URL, image URL, and like which category will be electronic, and yeah. So the ad and the location is Texas, and brand is Apple. And then let me post it as well. There we go. I have created another product, right? And this is awesome. So I just want to get this product by ID. Come here, product by ID. Click on try, then paste an ID there. This is not an ID, sorry. Come here, paste an ID. So let me paste it right here. Good. Come here and then paste this ID and then execute as well. There we go. We have the particular project we have just created, and so on. And I can delete it as well. Come with this particular ID, paste it here. Okay. This is update. I just want to update. If I want to update, I can say like we update it with iPhone 12. I will just do something like I like it as well, and Texas, okay, and leave Apple, then post it. Yeah, I have updated. We have here iPhone 12 and so on, and you can delete it as well. Come with this particular ID, then paste it as well. Executed, project has been deleted as well. And this is how I did, guys. So thank you so much for watching.